Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we give focus to a new product that has received a lot of interest prior to its release. In this video you will be hearing the very latest news about the laser level sensor, as well as a good overview of what you can expect from it and when it's likely to be released straight from Kee of Kegland. So let's get started.
Hey David, thanks for having me back on the channel again. Good to be here. One thing that we've got on the stand here at Brew Asia in Bangkok is our laser level sensor. This is something that's causing a lot of people to stop and take a look at it. They've never seen it before. So I thought I'd do a quick video with you and describe how the product works. Basically, we've got this laser level sensor. It can fit into the lid of anything, a lid of a tank, a lid of a keg in this instance, or a fermenter or something like that. We probably will make some adapters to go to triclover and stuff on the underside, so you can just TC clamp it onto the top of fermenters and that type of thing. But anyway, this is on a keg, and as you can see, I've got a keg here set up. This particular laser shoots down a whole bunch of lasers, so it's not just a single point, it's a whole laser array shoots down. That's been the only way that we've been able to get a really accurate level reading. So accurate, I mean like around about 1 millimeter accuracy, so it's a very, very accurate laser that can pick up on the laser level. Obviously the housing is highly chemically resistant. It is made all pressure capable, so you can take it up just as high as the pressure in the kegs, and all watertight, so you can wash the entire external, internal of the keg down, don't have to worry about it. So this is how it works. I've got a ping pong bat here. Obviously ping pong stuff is pretty easy to come by in Bangkok. So what I've got is a ping pong bat, just going to be kind of using this like a level of liquid, you can imagine. And if I put this in the side of this test keg with a hole in the side, you can see when I move it all the way to the bottom there, it's completely empty. And as you bring it up there, you can see on our new app, so we've also got a new wrapped app we've been developing. This is not released to the public yet, but very soon this will go live. And really easy to connect and hook up with this. You can see exactly how much beer is in the keg. So how cool is that? The battery life on this particular unit is about 2 years. It depends on the transmission frequency. So stock standard transmission frequency about once every 15-minute reading. But what will happen is if it senses a change in liquid level, it kicks up into a higher mode and checks more frequently. So obviously there's other ways you can optimize it. So if you wanted to drop that down to only checking your keg level or tank level once every half an hour, then it's going to double the battery life, so you get up to like 4 years instead of 2 years, for instance. So it has a lot to do with how you set up the transmission frequencies. But look, for most people in general, most conditions, I reckon about 2 to 3 years is sort of like the recommended battery life, and that's based on just 3 AAA batteries in here. This product is going to be available in Australia towards the end of this year, and then early 2026 for a lot of the other crew overseas. So really excited about bringing this product out. I think with the app integration as well, it's kind of cool. I know we've got another app developer working with us at the moment who's working on some stuff where you can see all the beers in the kegs, then you can also see what's in each keg on each tap, and then you can rate the beers and click on them and give your own rating and that type of stuff. So a lot of heaps of cool software and integration with this type of gear coming out on the horizon.
So there you have it. I must say I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on some of these. You can be sure that as soon as I do and I've given them a good test, I will follow up with a review on this channel. Do let myself and the community know what you think within the comment section of this video. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support, you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel, then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!